Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Illustrated Excel 2016 Module 2 SAM Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File Setup. Open the Excel file and save it with a new name. Ensure your name is in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. Step 2. Copy data. Go to the Sales Summary worksheet, copy the product list, A6, to A15 for comparison of sales and taxes. Step 3. Sum sales. In B11, use the sum function to total B6, then drag the formula across C11. Step 4. Copy tax rate, copy the value in F5 to F14. Step 5. Calculate sales tax, in E15, multiply E6 by E14, relative for E6, absolute for E14, then copy this down to E16. Step 6. Fill total taxes, drag the formula in B20 across C20. Step 7. Average tax rate. Change the text in A22, then use average in D22 for tax rates from B14. Step 8. Max and min sales tax. In D23 and D24, use max and min to find the highest and lowest taxes in F15. Step 9. Final revenue. In D25, subtract F20 from F11, total sales minus total tax, then round the result in D26 to 0 decimal places using round. Step 10. Clean up, delete row A27, and clear cell A3. Save and submit.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.